recording. Yeah, we're recording. Good. I've made some kind of mechanism for some. I think it's a piston. I'm not sure. It was just an idea I had. It was when I've made a note of things. I have ideas. I don't know how it works. Basically, I've got a motor here. This wheel does absolutely nothing. I just put this in here, hold it on this bit here. But this turns, then it houses on, goes round, lifts this up, and basically pull this in and out the hole. Hi, Daddy. If I turn it on, there's a motor here. Yes, I know I've got an old Connect motor on it. As you can see, it works pretty well. It does go the other way as well. Ooh. Struggles a bit more this way. I think the batteries aren't great. Yeah. I don't know. I've got a Dukeroo made out of connector, but he's not in a state to show. Also, one of his videos that he's got like a bit of a prototype mask I made out of paper to see what it would look like. That's one of the videos I just taped on. And yeah, so I've got a mess of connects now, but it took me about an hour because I could not get the size right and it was getting stuck. And it was about half the width originally, but it works better this way because this was capturing over here. So it was like here rather than out here. And it was, I don't know, it doesn't really capture anymore. It was capturing on here, but I've kind of spaced it out a bit better on the top. So yeah, this isn't really attached, it's just on there. It's alright. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Apart from bye. So, bye.